In aviation, there has always been a fundamental compromise. If you need to reach a remote location, a mountain cabin, or a facility without a runway, you use a helicopter. But helicopters are limited by lower top speeds and shorter operational ranges. If you need to cross vast distances quickly, you use a fixed-wing airplane. But that strictly requires existing runway infrastructure. For decades, operators and private owners alike had to choose between speed and access. That compromise ends here. This is the Cavorite X7 by Horizon Aircraft. It is a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle designed to eliminate the infrastructure bottleneck entirely. Today, we are looking at the engineering behind its flight, its self-sustaining power architecture, and how it is reshaping both commercial logistics and private travel. To achieve both vertical access and high-speed forward flight, Horizon Aircraft developed a patented fan-in-wing system. The aircraft's wings are equipped with arrays of ducted fans. During takeoff and landing, the wing surfaces open up, allowing these fans to provide the vertical thrust required to lift the vehicle stably, completely independent of a runway. Once the Cavorite X7 reaches a safe altitude, the transition occurs. The louvers smoothly slide shut, perfectly sealing the fans inside the wing. In a matter of seconds, the vehicle transforms into a traditional, highly aerodynamic, fixed-wing aircraft. A rear pusher propeller engages, propelling the machine forward. This structural transformation maximizes aerodynamic efficiency, allowing the aircraft to achieve an impressive top speed of 280 miles per hour, or 450 kilometers per hour. While purely electric systems are excellent for short-distance urban routes, the Cavorite X7 utilizes a hybrid electric architecture specifically designed for long-haul flexibility and remote operations. An efficient internal combustion engine acts as an onboard generator. This generator powers the electric lift fans during the vertical takeoff phase and simultaneously charges the internal battery pack while the aircraft is in forward flight. Because the system generates its own electricity on the move, the X7 completely bypasses the need for ground charging stations at every destination. It can land in a remote field, idle, and take off again immediately. This architecture grants the aircraft an operational range of 500 miles, or 800 kilometers, delivering long-haul capability with the exact hover flexibility of a helicopter. The Cavorite X7 is engineered to carry a pilot and 6 passengers, and its applications span multiple sectors. On the commercial side, it is a game changer for medical evacuations, search and rescue teams, and regional cargo logistics in areas lacking aviation infrastructure. But for private owners, the X7 offers the ultimate level of freedom. Imagine traveling directly from a city center to a remote mountain estate, a private island, or even integrating the aircraft with a super yacht, all without needing an airstrip or worrying about where to plug in and recharge. It provides VIP transport that is faster, quieter, and more versatile than traditional private aviation. So what does this level of engineering cost? The estimated purchase price is set at up to $5 million per aircraft. At this price point, the X7 competes directly with high-end corporate helicopters and light business jets, but offers significantly lower operating costs and a far wider range of landing possibilities. Market demand is already materializing, with regional air operators placing substantial pre-orders. Horizon Aircraft has successfully flown subscale prototypes and is rapidly developing the full-scale model. According to the company's roadmap, we can expect to see fully certified operational Cavorite X7s in the sky before the year 2030. The Cavorite X7 proves that by blending innovative aerodynamics with a self-sustaining power grid, we can actively solve the geographical limits of flight. What are your thoughts on the fan-in-wing design and its potential for private travel? Share your perspective in the comments below. If you appreciate detailed breakdowns of the technology shaping our future, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.